In this video, I will show you how to add background in Canva. So we can see we have this image and we need to add background. So in this left side panel, click on background. Here you can select any color. Or select from here. But we can see it's change your picture if you change the background. So if you need this picture with a different background, so method is firstly control and click on detect image from background. Now click here background and add your background. So this way you can add your picture with background. But in this case you need your picture as a transparent. So thanks for watching.